Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best crash test dummy toy is probably one of the most fun and educational toys out there, allowing kids to explore the world of safety and engineering in a playful way, learning about car safety, physics, and even a bit of engineering through interactive play and realistic design. This video will help you choose the perfect crash test dummy toy for your child, considering factors like durability, safety features, and educational value, ensuring a fun and enriching experience. Number 5. Playmobil Stunt Show Crash Car. Get ready for some high-octane action. This versatile car is perfect for both racing and stunts. It's easy to switch between racing and stunt modes. Just change the bumper, hood, and engine. Customize it to create your own unique stunt car. The possibilities are endless. Team it up with the motocross or other Playmobil stunt show sets for even bigger stunts and adventures. It comes with a figure, flaming barrels, a crash test dummy, and other accessories to enhance your stunts. It's suitable for children aged 4 to 10. But remember, it contains small parts, so adult supervision is required. This toy contains small parts that pose a choking hazard. Not suitable for children under 3 years old. What we like. It's highly versatile, functioning as both a racer and a stunt car thanks to its interchangeable parts. If you're looking for a toy that sparks imaginative play and offers diverse scenarios, this is it. Kids will love creating their own thrilling stunts and adventures with this crash car and its many accessories. What people say. This was a great gift for my tinkering 4-year-old that loves to take things apart and put them together. Playmobil comes through again with a great set. Excellent. Playmobil is always a great buy. This one is pretty fun and has pieces that can be customized. Number 4. Morphsuits Boys Kpcrd-usCostume. Get ready for endless fun and imaginative play with this awesome costume. It's comfortable, durable, and perfect for any adventure. This suit is designed for easy on and off, so your child can get into the action quickly. No more struggling with complicated costumes. Made from breathable and durable materials, it ensures all-day comfort. It's built to last through countless adventures. From Halloween to birthday parties, this versatile costume is perfect for any special event. Let your child's imagination run wild. Watch your child transform into their favorite character and create unforgettable memories. It's more than just a costume, it's an experience. Find the perfect fit for your child with our range of sizes. Ensure a comfortable and fun experience for everyone. What we like. This one provides a full-body immersive experience. If you are looking for a realistic and comfortable costume for Halloween or themed parties, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd and make a statement. What people say. These fit snug, but that's the point. My son is actually 4 feet 11 inches but weighs only 77 pounds. He is wearing the kid size large. It fits him like a glove and looks fantastic but is best for a person who doesn't mind a skin-tight fit. My son loves this. It fits great and is nice quality. The costume itself is pretty cool, but was way too tight on my son, as you can see in the pictures. He was wearing his eyeglasses under as well, it clearly shows, but who cares, it's a costume, and when it's meant to be skin-tight that is to be expected. Obviously if it did fit I would have had him anyways wear thermal pants and shirt under because it's meant to be tight and we didn't want certain areas showing. I would recommend this if you can find your child's size. Number 3. Crash Test Dummy T-shirt. This hilarious costume is perfect for a last-minute Halloween party or any other fun event. It's comfortable and easy to wear, making it a great choice for men who want to look funny without any fuss. Simply put it on and you're ready to go. Prepare for compliments and lots of laughter wherever you wear it. It's the ultimate in effortless fun. Don't stress about finding a costume. This t-shirt is your solution for a quick and funny outfit. It's comfortable enough to wear all day long. It's made from soft, breathable fabric, ensuring all-day comfort. You'll forget you're even wearing a costume. Order yours now and be ready to turn heads and get laughs. It's the perfect conversation starter. This t-shirt offers a unique and humorous way to stand out from the crowd. It's sure to be a hit at your next gathering. What we like. It's incredibly easy to wear and makes for a quick and funny costume. If you need a last-minute costume solution, this t-shirt is perfect. It's comfortable and humorous, ideal for casual gatherings or costume parties. What people say. Got lots of laughs at the track when I wore this going down the drag strip with my daughter for the first time. Did the job perfectly. It was perfect. Number 2. Funny crash test dummy t-shirt. Get ready to show off your adventurous side with this hilarious tee. It's the perfect way to express your quirky personality. This unique design features a funny crash test dummy, adding a touch of humor to your everyday style. It's sure to be a conversation starter. Made from soft, comfortable material, it's perfect for everyday wear. You'll love the feel of this shirt against your skin. Whether you're heading to a party, running errands, or just relaxing at home, it's versatile enough for any occasion. It's comfortable and stylish. Make a statement with this fun and unique t-shirt. It's a great way to show the world your sense of humor and adventurous spirit. Find your perfect fit. It comes in a range of sizes to ensure a comfortable and flattering look for everyone. Don't miss out on this awesome tee. Order yours today and get ready to turn heads. What we like. This t-shirt makes a bold and humorous statement. If you like expressing your personality with a touch of quirky humor, this is the perfect choice. It's comfortable to wear and ideal for everyday use or casual outings. Number 1. Crash Test Dummies shirt. This shirt is perfect for anyone with a sense of humor. It's comfortable, durable, and sure to be a conversation starter. It's soft against your skin and built to last. You'll love the feel of this shirt. This shirt features a hilarious design that's sure to turn heads. It's the perfect way to express your personality. Find the perfect fit for you. We offer a wide range of sizes to ensure a comfortable and flattering look. Wear it to a party, to work, or just around the house. It's versatile and stylish. Don't miss out on this fun and unique shirt. Order yours today and get ready to laugh. What we like. This t-shirt offers a fun design at an affordable price. If you're on a budget but still want a funny and comfortable shirt, this is a great option. It's perfect for everyday wear and casual settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.